Eman Stories. A foggy morning to everyone. This is Eman and hello, good morning. Morning, Dean. So guys, I am here now at the faculty room of the College of Nursing. So this is my laptop. I will be doing some more PowerPoint presentation for my other subjects. Ayan, as you can see, wala ibang teachers kasi may klase sila. Ayan. So this will be a new chapter in my life as a teacher. So from teaching here in UNC sa caregiving department na I am now transferred. Actually hindi naman, same college pa rin naman kami. So I'll be now teaching in the College of Nursing. And the subjects that I will be teaching for this semester is anatomy and physiology, nutrition and diet therapy, and also care for the elderly adults. And so Ayan, so maybe for the coming vlogs, I will be focusing now on my teaching here in UNC as one of the clinical instructors here. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in my next videos for upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching!